Sound you learn. What is the conquering? Full bar and catering. Lion. Honored. I've been waiting and I'm not hesitating for this moment, and I just wanna make them know that I can make it. I've been waiting and I'm not hesitating for this moment, and I just wanna make them know I can make it. I've been through the good and the bad, do's and the don'ts, and the right and the wrongs, ups and the downs of life. Yes, I've been through badness, I've seen madness and wickedness. I know where I'm coming from and where I'm going. Yes, I know what I'm looking for, cause I know Jah provide me the one that name you got to know. Never give up on your life, cause your life is what you make it. You got to take it and don't break it. Yeah, you got to make them know. Say, never give up on your life, cause your life is what you make it. So you got to take it and don't break it. Now one of them, I've been waiting and I'm not hesitating for this moment, and I just wanna make them know I will make it. And I've been waiting and I'm not hesitating for this moment. That's my comment, and now I name. Life is a learning process, them should I know. That's how I kept living and forgiving, and I'm thinking of what I'm doing. No, no, no. Yes, you got to have a picture, so got a vision, a picture. You got to give them a lecture if them don't know the one of them. Yes, I've been the last point of life. I've been seeing the ups and downs of life, in the life I've lived before, cause I know. Never give up on your life, cause your life, watch, you got to make it, so don't break it. You got to take it, make them know. Never give up on your life, your life is what you make it. You got to take it, don't break it. Now I know them, whether you've seen so many races, yes I know. I've been to places, yes I know. I don't wanna tell them what I've seen, but I know. You got to be humble. If you're struggling, you will make it. You will get there, you will. I know, say one day it's gonna be shining for you, cause I know Jah know you better than you know yourself, better than you do it yourself. Oh, you got to be humble, don't come trouble. Yes, you got to bubble, you got to make them know you bubble and juggle and lie in jungle. Make them know, say you not trample. I make them know, say that you're stronger, you living longer. You got to make them know, make them learn, make them live again. I've been waiting and I'm not hesitating. Oh, boy, I've been waiting, I've been waiting for this great man, waiting for this greatest, make them know.
Zim Daily Upload.